Assalamu alaikum. Today we will talk about anemia and some new information about anemia. So we are talking about what is anemia. In this short video we will tell what is anemia. So just see here, a reduction in the hematocrit or hemoglobin concentration. So remember, we have not seen here any kind of RBC count, and nor we have seen here any kind of other thing. We have just talking about two things. Number one is hematocrit and number two is the hemoglobin concentration. So what is this? Just remember. So I have just written here that this is an RBC. However, its shape is biconcave, but just imagine it as a bag full of water. Now how we see it, that this is a single cell with a bag full of water, imagining it as a single cell. Now hemoglobin concentration in this cell will be 1/3. 1/3 means that it is not fully occupied hemoglobin in this cell, but it is just little occupied hemoglobin, right? So hemoglobin is just 1/3. Now what happens, just see here, whenever, just see, this is a bag full of water. So this is an RBC, and this is like having a weight of water, there is a weight of hemoglobin. So if hemoglobin is less in a cell, it means the weight in this bag full of water is less. So RBC mass, yes, this cell is deserving as RBC, so this RBC mass will be less. And whenever RBC mass is less, what will happen? If hemoglobin is less, there will be decreased oxygen carrying capacity. Now there is a very important concept here. We have said that whenever there is a little hemoglobin, as I have said, anemia is just about two things: decrease in hematocrit and decrease in hemoglobin concentration. We will continue it in part 2, but for now just you have to see that whenever there is decreased hematocrit or decreased hemoglobin concentration, then there is anemia. Okay, so I am just considering it these two things. Like if we say that what is hematocrit, hematocrit is packed cell volume. So I am saying that I will just have a little preference over these two things. If I'm saying that this is a packed cell volume is like a bag, and this is like RBCs that are packed after centrifugation. They are packed and plasma is above and RBC volume is below. So it is said this is packed cell volume. Continue it in part 2.